My name is Grayson Randall. I am the chair of the Humanitarian Technology Board for IEEE. We're very excited to sponsor or be part of this very exciting competition. I want to welcome you all to this info session for the GenAI for Good Challenge, co-designed by IEEE Humanitarian Technologies and the International Telecommunications Union. Today, we're going to provide a quick overview of the two organizations driving this challenge. My colleague David Manset will provide an overview of ITU. I'll then provide a brief overview of the challenge, and then we'll move into breakout rooms where you're going to hear from each of the use case owners directly. Information from today's session will be posted on the website if you'd like to revisit this at any point. Let's get started. IEEE. Some of you probably are familiar with IEEE. I hope many of you are members, and if you're not, we'd love to have you join IEEE. IEEE stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and is the largest engineering society in the world with more than 486,000 members in over 190 countries. We do a lot of different things in IEEE, and we cover a lot of engineering disciplines besides electrical. We cover almost 49 different engineering disciplines. But we do a lot of standards. We have over 1,000 standards, and we have another 1,000 in the works. And we organize over 2,000 technical conferences a year, as well as doing education for engineering. IEEE publishes nearly a third of the world's technical literature in electrical engineering, computing, and electronics, including leading journals, magazines, books, and standards. Aside from this, we also run programs to advance technology for the benefit of humanity. IEEE Humanitarian Technologies is IEEE's Tech for Social Impact Hub. We support current initiatives and enable new programs that apply technology to achieve social, economic, and environmental humanitarian impact at scale. So we really oversee all the work that's done in IEEE. We do a tremendous amount of technology and humanitarian work, and I'm privileged to be able to oversee a lot of that work that's happening. At this point, I'd like to transfer it to David Manset to talk briefly about ITU.
Thank you very much, Jason. Welcome to everyone to this call. We are super happy to deliver more information about the GenAI for Good challenge today. So I'm David Manset, working for the International Telecommunication Union, which is the UN agency specialized on information and communication technologies. ITU, as you may know, is structured in a way that we have three major bureaus in charge respectively of radio, communications, standardization, and development. The present project is supported by ITU as well, as Grayson indicated. So we co-organized this challenge. This is done through the Development Bureau, Telecommunication Development Bureau of ITU. And this is thanks to the work that we could carry out previously in our AI for Good forum, where we have about 40,000 members nowadays that are contributing to the state-of-the-art analysis. So ITU is very happy to support this challenge and to actually bring a technical framework to accelerate the concerned developments. ITU also has offices in various regions of the world, and therefore we are looking forward to really support, scale up after the challenge throughout the member states for the outcomes of this challenge. Over to you, Grayson.
Thank you, David. So the GenAI for Good Challenge is co-designed by IEEE Humanitarian Technologies and the ITU. The GenAI for Good Challenge is a global initiative connecting innovators and change makers addressing real-world challenges in health, agriculture, and climate resilience. The challenge centers on 3 real-world use cases, each tied to a UN Sustainable Development Goal and shaped by the needs of local priorities. Next. This competition provides a unique opportunity to work on an urgent challenges identified by the UN agencies and to advance your solution in the real world. Participants will develop solutions using GenAI, a new open source platform designed to empower public institutions to support and utilize custom generative AI solutions. The 3 winning teams will win up to $25K in grants and prizes, and the opportunity to implement your solution in country, leveraging a structured framework built for deployment and impact. This is really exciting because it's an opportunity. There are real issues that need to be solved, and your solutions will be deployed into a real environment. So this is real impact coming out of this competition. So there's 3 focus areas and specific use cases are agriculture, development of an AI-powered agricultural extension chatbot in Lesotho, health, development of an AI chatbot for the prevention and control of non-communicable diseases in Gambia, and climate development of an AI-powered extreme weather advisor in Bangladesh. Through the initial focus in on these 3 countries, it's a global competition, and applicants do not need to reside in these countries. You can develop from anywhere, and your solutions will be targeted at specific countries, but we look for impact and participation from everywhere. Additionally, through the initial implementation focused on these specific countries for the challenge, the potential impact of these solutions is much broader. The solutions will be created under open license. So once we do the initial development, we hope that these applications will continue to be developed and expanded in other areas as well. So please bookmark the IEEE HT website and the use case page you are interested in. You'll find information about the overall challenge timeline, FAQs, and a link to submit questions, a resource hub. Information from this session will be posted, and additional resources will be added as the competition continues. I'll now turn it over to Antonia, who will provide guidance for how to get to the use case breakout rooms. Antonia?